Hey everyone, this is AP. I'm a member of the 2022 Board of Decorators by Gildan, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your drying process. We do a lot of different types of dyeing in-house. To speed up the drying process, we had to sort of create this heated room. So we have 2 heated panels built into the ceiling, and then we have 2 heaters on the floor. So we're bringing the heat from the ground up and then also from the ceiling down to the floor. We've built this hanger and gutter system. All of our non-toxic paint drips through the garment, catches in the tunnel, and it flows down into the gutters. With all that heat and water that's in the room, it gets really tropical, really misty, so we add a dehumidifier to just kind of drain all that out. To contain all of that heat, we use these plastic strip curtains, and it's easy for us to just go in and out. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to the BOD page to learn how to keep a shop clean from our fellow BOD member, Ryan.